businesses. The existing company will now be called Essar Ports, and Essar Shipping will be hived off. Shareholders will get 3 shares for every one that they hold in the existing company. Rajiv Agarwal, CEO of Essar Shipping, joins in to explain the deal. Rajiv, morning. Can you take us through what exactly the shareholders, current shareholders of Essar Shipping are entitled to, and what exactly the two companies will hold now?
Yes. See, the present company, Essar Shipping, Ports and Logistics, will now be split into two. The existing company will be called Essar Ports and it will hold the ports business, and the new company will have shipping, logistics and oil field services business, and it will be called Essar Shipping Limited. For every 3 existing shares of Essar Shipping, Ports and Logistics, shareholders will get 2 shares of Essar Ports and 1 share of Essar Shipping. So that's the way it will be split. And the record date is 19th of this month, 19th of May. And Essar Shipping, Essar Ports, which will which is the existing company, will be listed as Essar Ports by 25th or thereabouts, and Essar Shipping, which will be the new company, will take maybe a few, maybe a month's time to get relisted, because it will go through the entire process of getting listed as a new company. So both the entities will be listed eventually, and that's the way it will be split.
Rajiv, morning. What have you assigned as an enterprise value for both these businesses, the port side and the shipping?
Well, the current enterprise value is about 15,000 crores. Now, after the split, let's see what happens. I think the market will determine the value.
Okay. Indications are that you may also look at some kind of fundraising, either a QIP or some other instrument, in order to raise cash for both these entities and bring down promoter holding as well. Is that a plan for either shipping or ports?
See, we today have a promoter holding of about 83.5%, which has to be brought down to 75%, but we have 2 years for that. So we do not have any immediate plans of raising funds, but yes, definitely within these 2 years, we will have to bring down the shareholding to 75%. Currently, the way we are in the ports business, we are fully funded. Our overall plan of investment, which is around 9,300 crores, we have already spent about 6,200 crores out of that. And for the balance 3,000 crores, we have arranged both debt and equity. Equity will come out of internal accruals in the next 2 years, and debt is fully tied up for the projects. So there is no plan of raising any fresh equity for these projects at the moment. Yes, for any new projects, any new opportunities, we could look at in future, and we have to reduce this shareholding of the promoters from 83.5% to 75%. So that's the way it is. On the shipping side also, we have 12 new buildings, 12 new ships, and 2 jack-up rigs on order. So there is a program there. And the debt is fully tied up. Equity is being pumped in from internal accruals. So that's how it is going. So immediately no plans, but yes, we have 2 years within which we have to bring down the equity levels to 75%.
Would you be able to tell us, Rajiv, from an FY12 perspective, what would be the rough revenue lines of each of these 2 separate companies, Essar Ports and Essar Shipping, and what their respective balance sheets would look like in terms of debt?
Well, we don't give future guidance, but what I can tell you is that for Essar Ports, the debt as on 31st of March 2011 was 4,500 crores, and we did an EBITDA of 533 crores for FY11. For FY12, and we did cargo of about 40 million. And next year we are expected to do about 55 million, and so there will be a appreciable growth in the numbers as far as FY12 is concerned. As far as shipping is concerned, the debt levels are about 4,900 crores, and we had an EBITDA of 735 crores for the shipping business for FY11. And with the new buildings coming in place, at least the new buildings will start getting delivered from the middle of this year through the current year as well as the next year. So definitely the earnings are poised to go up even in the current market. So that's what one can share.
Thanks, Rajiv. Appreciate you giving us those details today. That's Essar Shipping. Significant restructuring, which is along afoot. 25th is when Essar Ports will be listing, which is the existing company in the new form. And in a month's time, Essar Shipping will also list. Essar Shipping, by the way, is up 10% today at 98. So very material move that we've just discussed with the management. We'll take a break. Markets are fine, 0.5% up on the mid-cap index.